Hi friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to show you something very cool. See, that's my room. So it was my room, you can see. So now I'm walking and showing you my room's forward. So you can see how beautiful it is. Just like this. See? Oh, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Look at everything. It's my cousin's room. You can see that room. This one is my cousin's, and this one is mine. My room. And you can see there's a little parquet there. I think you can see that. You can see that. There's a lot beautiful. It's raining now, and I love my room. It's very beautiful. I love it very much. See? Oh, it's raining. You can see. Now I'm showing you my balcony. So this is my balcony. You can see the view is water, so I'm not going there. So there's two chairs right here, and so there's trees. I can see. I think there is a little river. You can see. Yeah, there. That's the river. Oh no, I'm in the water. It's so beautiful, and I love it. So this is my bed, and there's the balcony. There's two chairs in there, and there's trees and trees. So this is my balcony and my room's forward. Bye.